Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to ask you guys a question. What do you think is the fastest moving development or construction in Jamaica? Now I think it is the Pinnacle, and this is the building we're looking at. We are out in Montego Bay. They go up one floor every 2 weeks and they're going up to 28 floors. They are currently at 19 floors. And on average, every 2 weeks they go up another floor. I have never seen a development move at this speed before in Jamaica. You have the Miami Bay development, the Roaring River development moving very quickly, but not as fast as this one. You have the Unico Hotel out in Lilliput, Montego Bay. It's moving, but not at the pace of this one. And when you look at other buildings like the Cornwall Regional Hospital, 10 floors, that just can't seem to finish. You have to wonder if they can build 2 floors every week. To build a 10-floor building would take, 20 weeks? So guys, let us know what you think. Or what development do you think is the fastest moving one in Jamaica? We think it's the Pinnacle. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the construction at this development. The Jamaican construction and real estate sectors are currently experiencing a renaissance, but among the many developments underway, none has attracted more attention or admiration than the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. Positioned on the scenic Redding Peninsula, the Pinnacle is being hailed as Jamaica's fastest moving construction project, a testament to bold vision, cutting-edge technology, and dynamic local and international partnerships. The project is spearheaded by LCH Developments Limited, a real estate company that has demonstrated its commitment to redefining luxury living in Jamaica. With a total investment estimated at between US 350 million to 450 million US, the Pinnacle is one of the largest private sector residential projects in the Caribbean. It will consist of four towering buildings, each rising 28 stories high, featuring 423 luxury residences and 15 premium villas. The master plan also includes upscale retail spaces, wellness centers, private beaches, and an integrated resort-style amenities. What distinguishes the Pinnacle from other developments is the extraordinary speed with which construction has advanced. Groundbreaking took place in January 2024, and within weeks, pilings and foundational work had commenced, a pace that astonished industry observers. The swift execution is largely due to the involvement of Brothers Concept and Solutions Limited, a Jamaican-based contractor responsible for the foundation works. The company introduced state-of-the-art hydraulic static press piling technology, a first for the Caribbean, which allows piles to be driven deep into the earth silently and efficiently at a rate of up to 125 feet in 15 minutes. This reduced noise pollution and expedited progress have made the construction process not only faster, but also more environmentally and community friendly. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So that gives you an idea as to why this development is moving so much faster than the others in Jamaica. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. Now, that is a beautiful view of the Redding Peninsula. Beautiful. Can you imagine when these buildings are finished, the view that they are going to have? Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.